For Tesla models, the Sentry Mode acts as a security alarm, and the dashcam is essential for security. You will have to use your Tesla's USB port to connect an SSD to store the recorded footage. 5 Best SSD for Tesla reviews. Here, we will present you with a list of the best SSDs for your Tesla and all the details you have to know about them with highlighted features. 1. Samsung T7 Portable SSD 500GB. The Samsung T7 Portable SSD is a flagship 2020 SSD model by Samsung. With a slim and slick design, this SSD looks quite nice and will go perfectly with the modern design of your Tesla. Highlighted feature 1. Slim and lightweight design for portability. 2. Impressive transfer speed. 3. Modern aluminum design to make it durable. 2. SanDisk TB Extreme Pro Portable External SSD with dimensions of 0.4 x 2.3 x 4.4 inches. This SSD is quite small and easily portable when compared to other SSDs in the market. Highlighted feature 1. Lightning speed file transfer of up to 2000 megabytes per second. 2. Huge storage of 1 terabit, which means you can have many hours of 4K footage stored. 3. IP55 rating, so it has some protection against rain and dust. 3. WD 256 GB My Passport SSD Portable Storage. The WD My Passport SSD Portable Storage is a beautiful device with a half-and-half finish of gunmetal and matte black plastic. Highlighted feature 1. Beautiful gunmetal finish and matte black design. 2. USB Type-C for better compatibility and faster files transfer. 3. Robust since it can withstand shocks of drops up to 2 meters. 4. Seagate OneTouch SSD 1 TB External Solid-State Drive Portable. The Seagate OneTouch SSD External Solid-State Drive is one of their latest products, and it has become popular for all the amazing features that it packs. This external drive is surprisingly small, with the dimension of 70 x 50 by 10 mm, and a mere weight of 43 grams. Highlighted feature 1. Comes with premium software and service bundle. 2. Has a compact and portable design. 3. Solid construction for durability. 5. Samsung 870 QVO SATA 3 2.5 inches SSD 1 TB. Since this is the second SSD from Samsung on this list, you can probably tell that they do a great job at designing their SSDs. This second-generation QLC SSD is a fantastic package with great design and performance. Highlighted feature 1. Great value for money. 2. Has a huge capacity of 1 TB. 3. Secure built-in encryption for extra safety. We believe we have suggested you some of the best SSDs for Tesla to you, and if you feel like any of them fit your needs, then feel free to look them up further. We hope you're able to find the best SSD for your Tesla, and we wish you a safe driving experience.